When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand.
Hey guys, welcome back. I am so glad to have you here. If you are new, my name is Linda, CEO and founder of DecemberDeboss.com. Click the link in my description box down below so you can shop our beautiful collections. In today's video, I am going to share with you part 2 of our formal dining room. I hope you like it. If you do, hey, please let me know in the comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. By the way, a portion of this video is sponsored. I am going to give you all the details in a minute. Don't forget to check the description box for the link, and I have a discount code for you. Let's get it done like a boss. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sit down, relax and enjoy.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It's the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its.
Okay, you guys, this is a beautiful accent chair sent to me by Ernest. As I mentioned before, a portion of this video is sponsored by Ernest. A big thank you to them for the sponsorship. And I am going to give you all the details in a minute. Don't forget to check the description box for the link and for your discount code. You are going to use BOSS15 to save 15% off on your order. And they have a big sale going on right now. Let's get it done like a boss.
Hear the angel voice says, "Oh, night divine, the night when Christ was born. Oh, night."
Welcome to Decoding Ideas with the Boss for Christmas 2023. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am so glad to have you here. Happy holidays from my family to yours. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and smash the bell icon because you don't want to miss any of my future uploads. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home Decor Change 2023. Let the design flow, baby. Designed by the boss.
So lit by light, our stars sweetly gleaming. Here come the wise men from Orient land, the King of.
Okay, you guys, this is what I am going to review today. I am going to review this beautiful accent chair sent to me by Ernest. A big thank you to them for the sponsorship. As you guys can see, they have several different items you can choose from to elevate your living space for this Christmas season. You can shop for your living room, dining room, and your bedroom, your kids' room. They have it all for you on their website. Use code BOSS15 to save 15% off on your first order, and the link will be in my description box down below. Guys, item came in very well packaged, as you can see, so beautiful. But hey, everything you see on this accent chair, like the throw blanket and the throw pillows, they are from my collections. Link is in my description box down below so you can shop our beautiful collections for this Christmas. Not only for Christmas, everyday use, so to elevate your living space. A big thank you to them for the sponsorship, guys. This is what they said to me and I am loving it. If you want to give your space a classic touch with like modern, contemporary, I don't know, they have it all for you on their website. I love it. Thank you, Ernest, for the sponsorship, and I am going to enjoy. Not me, my husband.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right.
Guys, not only is this chair beautiful, it is absolutely comfortable. You will be able to sit in this for hours and will never want to get up. The best part about this chair is that it's absolutely comfortable. With the nice leg rest, just pick up the chair and put it by your fireplace and grab yourself a nice hot cup of coffee while you sit by. And don't forget to grab yourself a beautiful throw blanket from my mom's throw blanket collection on her store. Sit down and relax and enjoy your nice, warm holiday from my family to yours. And a big thank you to Ennis for sending us this chair. My dad will enjoy this chair for years to come.
Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all the nails. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me. As tight as can.
Hey family, welcome back. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Linda. I am the CEO and founder of DecemberTheBoss.com. The link is in my description box down below. Click the link so you can shop our beautiful collections for this Christmas. If you're a home decor lover, this is the perfect channel for you. On my channel, I post tons of beautiful decorating ideas. I hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit the notification bell twice because you don't want to miss any of my future video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Let the design flow, baby. Happy holidays from my family to yours.
Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all the nails. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm coming home. Yes, it's true. One more Christmas to be with you. Yes, I'll be right there by your side, making you ready for your sleigh bell ride. Santa, hold on. No, I will never leave you on Christmas Day. So hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Hold on, Santa. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Coucou la famille, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je me présente, mon nom est Linda. Si c'est votre première fois ici, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker, partager et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne pas manquer aucune de mes vidéos et de me laisser un petit message. Merci beaucoup pour votre soutien affectueux. À la prochaine. Mon nom est Linda / le patron.
Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Hurry now, should have been done by now. Seems we're running late. Let's put the food on the table, fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters.
A beautiful collection just for you to elevate your living space. Shop our Modern Luxe collections now, a perfect way to give your space that classic touch. From unique and crafted decorative pieces to help you create a beautiful home. Thank you so much for stopping by. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Click on the link in my description box down below so you can shop our beautiful collections.
On and on. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay, konnichiwa, kijanoye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. My name is Linda, CEO and founder of DecemberTheBoss.com. Don't forget to click the link on my description box down below so you can shop our beautiful collections. If you haven't subscribed yet, hey, please do so because you don't want to miss any of my future upload. In today's video, I am going to show you part 2 of our formal dining room. I hope you like it. If you do, hey, please let me know in the comment down below. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. From the Collection 2023, let the design flow, baby. Design by Linda the Boss.
Up in the December night, there is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on.